Honey, I was thinking, we should go somewhere special after our marriage.
That sounds amazing! Where do you want to go?
What about Switzerland? I have always dreamed
Of visiting the snowy mountains there.
Wow. Switzerland is beautiful. I would love to go there with you.
Then let's plan our honeymoon trip.
When should we go?
Next month sounds perfect. The weather will also be nice.
Okay. We need to book flight tickets and a hotel first.
Don't worry. I will book everything tonight.
Thank you. I'm already excited.
We should start packing our bags.
Yes. Switzerland is cold, so we need warm clothes.
I am packing my jackets, sweaters, gloves, and boots.
Good idea. I will also take my winter coat and scarves.
Should I pack some casual clothes too?
Of course. We will go sightseeing and shopping there.
I also want to take some beautiful dresses for photos.
Yes, and don't forget your sunglasses.
What about medicines and travel documents?
I already kept our passports, tickets, and hotel booking papers in my bag.
You are very organized.
Because this is our first trip together after marriage.
It will become a beautiful memory for us.
The airport looks so busy.
Yes, many people are traveling today. Where should we go first?
First, we need to check in our luggage.
I am feeling nervous. This is my first international flight.
Don't worry. I am with you.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Let's sit near the boarding gate until the announcement comes.
Wow, we are finally flying to Switzerland.
Yes. Look outside the window. The clouds look beautiful.
This feels like a dream.
I'm very happy to travel with you.
But the weather is so cold.
Yes, but the place looks amazing.
Look at those mountains covered with snow.
They are beautiful. Let's take some pictures.
Sure. This view is unforgettable. The streets are so clean and peaceful.
Yes, everything looks perfect here.
I'm really enjoying this trip.
Me too. Spending time with you makes it more special.
Thank you for bringing me here.